My name is Mindy, and I received veneers and full restoration here at New Smile. I do have some medical problems, which going through chemotherapy and having my stomach removed caused my teeth to pretty much just break and fall into pieces. So I was in pain a lot, and I'd always had more yellowing of my teeth, which I was very aware of. I was just kind of living with it and fixing things as they came. I was at a local farmer's market, and Dr. Thompson was doing a free set of veneers, actually, and I won those. But when I went in, he saw the shape of my teeth that needed to be fixed before I could have any veneers.
She came in and said, doctor, as nice as you are to offer this, I really don't think I'm worth it. I don't think you can help me because I don't know how much longer I'm going to be here. And you're going to go through all this work, and what if I don't get to enjoy it? And plus, my teeth are so bad. She basically told me in tears that she didn't think her teeth were worth fixing. I just reassured Mindy that whatever was left of her life, whether it be 5 years or 50 years or 100 years, we were going to make it the best it could be.
Dr. Thompson has a way of being very welcoming, making you feel very comfortable. And I felt that immediately by him and his staff the first time I came. Their acceptance of any specialty things I may need done or appointments that are a little different, they always take me into consideration before I can even tell them anything. So I am so thankful for all that they've done and they continue to do. Their warmness as you enter and get to know them means a lot.
In a very short time, we had totally transformed her mouth from broken down, decayed, and yellow to beautiful straight white teeth that were just radiant and beaming. And she beamed right along with it. And Mindy is still here to this day and doing pretty well. She's still dealing with those health problems, but the quality of her life has been elevated by that gift. And since that time, she has come back, and we have been able to continue to maintain that and to keep her teeth beautiful.
I felt like because of my continuing health itself, they would just never be able to be fixable, that the pain and the look of them would continue and just get worse. And while I still do have things come up because of my health, I have more confidence in my teeth, where before, if I was to try to eat something hard or things, they would break very easily. And so I have confidence in that now, that my teeth are healthy. And I remember seeing my husband for the first time after he finished my smile. And my husband even was like, "Whoa, you look amazing." So it does change your whole look, having teeth that look healthy and white, and changes your confidence. It does. That's huge for me. I love them.